Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how to cleave a surface and add a vacuum slab. This process is essential to make a heterostructure, like mixing two different structures together. Let's get started. I am going to use nickel cobalt sulfide structure. Let's import a structure here, maximize, go to display style, you choose ball and stick, change the radius. Okay, we don't have bonds, so click here. Now you can see the complete structure here. Let's choose label, element symbols. Now you can see the element symbols on the element as well. So now first we need to do geometry optimization, and for that purpose to go to symmetry and choose primitive unit cell, so the geometry optimization is fast and accurate. So let's check latest parameters. It's 6.5, 6.5 and 6.5. So go to CASTEP calculation, choose geometry optimization, here choose express, more, and cell optimization should be full here. Choose metal, EFT plus U, go to more, use custom energy cutoff 500 and SCF it's 500, 0.5, Cape points we are going to express, so choose 2, 2 and 2 here. No need to change any other thing, don't need to check any properties. So I'm going to choose 4 cores here, run. This speed is 10x, should be completed in a few seconds at this speed. Okay, it is completed now. Let's go to the optimized structure. Go to lattice parameters. Now you can see the lattice parameters are changed, so that's why we need to do geometry optimization. So it changes from 6.5 to 6.6. So now open this structure, optimize structure, copy this structure here and paste in the main background here. So now rename it GEM optimized. So okay, now open this structure here and going to check its lattice. So you can see this face cubic centered. So F for FCC structure, we know 111 plane is close pack and most stable plane. So go to surface, cleave surface here, and the cleave plane is 1 space 1 space 1, and go to cleave. So this is a cleave surface, just one surface. So you can see here the, at the bottom this is only a rectangle and this is 111 plane. So you need to make it a crystal to do the optimization. So go to CASTEP calculation. You cannot see the run here because this is only a surface, not a 3D lattice. So you need to add a vacuum slab here, build crystal, build vacuum slab. So the vacuum slab position should be in C direction and vacuum slab is 10 angstrom. Okay, build. So this in the C direction we have a 10 angstrom vacuum slab. So it should be minimum 10 so the atom can be relaxed in that direction. Now go to CASTEP calculation, go here more. We want our atoms to only relax in C direction, so we choose none for cell optimization. No need to change any other thing. Click run, choose here no. So it will take a little more time this time, so I turn the speed to 20x. Let's wait. Cleaving a surface is really important to make a heterostructure. Heterostructure means when you add two different structures together, like nickel cobalt sulfide with graphene or any other like MOS2 and nickel cobalt sulfide. So you need to cleave a surface, the most stable surface, and then mix them together. So it is completed now. You can see here it is converged. So this is our fully optimized surface, and In the next tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to create a heterostructure and do the geometry optimization for these heterostructure as well. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful.